Hello YouTube, welcome back. This is only Gitari. Today is another good day. Wanted to show you a small hack on how to repair a tag tap that has actually broken down suddenly, and you actually don't have the necessary materials or equipment that you can use, or you don't have somebody who has the skills to repair the tank. So you can actually repair it very fast in a very simple way using simple available materials. So I'm going to show you that in a short way. So kindly watch my YouTube channel. For those who are new in this channel, kindly subscribe. Those who are still watching, coming back to watch my channel, thank you very much. You be blessed. Kindly share, like and comment, and I really appreciate your support, guys. So actually guys, what you actually need here is a bladder and maybe a pair of scissors and I used Colgate container. That one actually, ideally that is only that is the only thing that you need as the material, and yourself, guys. And you don't have to be skilled, don't have any skills to so that you can do this. Just something that you can do on your own. So actually, let me show you how you can go about it. So actually guys, what you're supposed to do is to cut the Colgate just like that, and you have it. You have so you can clean inside using some water. You can actually clean it so that the remaining Colgate that was inside can come out. So the next thing here, guys, what you're supposed to do is to insert this and make a small incision in case it is too small to fit in quickly without any disturbance. So actually, just fix this one slowly. Just fix it to the end, guys. So that way. And have your bladder. You can tie now your bladder here very fast, as fast as you can, guys. Just tie it around, making sure that the water does not leak. Guys, just tie around here very tightly. Just tie tightly so that it can't leak. And just like that, guys, and you are done with this simple hack. As simple as that, guys. Let's make sure it is actually tight and fit. That's it, guys. So you can see your water now is coming out. can open it as you want and close. So guys, just like that, and you're done. And actually you can enjoy using your simple tap. Oh. So guys, the tank can actually be of use for a short while you still haven't found a way to repair it, and actually you cannot lose the water reserve that you had. So actually guys, for those who are still watching my channel, and if it is the first time guys, kindly, if you not subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel, give me a like, comment and share guys, and God will bless you abundantly. I appreciate your support guys very much. So actually guys, you can actually now use your tap, you can open, and actually water comes out very nicely, and you can also now basi you can actually use it, and actually you can close it as you want, so you can be using it without losing any water guys. So thank you very much guys, stay tuned. So actually you can see now, you can be using the water as simple as this guys. So when you want to close it, you just close it as just like this. Yeah, that's all guys. Thank you very much guys for watching my channel. Stay tuned to my next video. I'll be showing another video, and actually it might be of use actually to you. So thank you guys, and bye for now.